everyone. Today I'm going to share with you simple but important things to consider when buying a home. When investing in real estate property, there are a few things that you need to look into before buying property. These are things that affect security, convenience, and reliability. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now let's get started. First, the neighborhood. The kind of neighborhood you choose is important whether you are buying a property for your own use or for rent. If you own a dog, is it dog friendly? Neighborhood with sidewalks for walking pets? If not, then consider the next offer. Also, schools are a big deal unless you're buying a home for retirement or it is a short-term plan. You should also consider other amenities like retail shops, parks, library, etc., because they are top priority for most tenants as well. If you are investing in rental property that you're going long-term, ensure the environment is good enough for any resident. Short-term's even more important. Second is the lifestyle. Your kind of lifestyle is also a huge determinant of the kind of home you may need to buy. For instance, if you are a frequent traveler or if you frequently commute to work, then it might be important. It should not be hard for you to get access to things, to the freeway or to the turnpike or whatever it is. It could be very hectic and take you so much longer. Are you a frequent party host or do you frequently host guests in your home? How often do you stay in the house and do you work from home? Determine your kind of lifestyle and invest in a home that will give you the comfort you will need. That's important. Third are repairs. So how old is the home? How much are the repairs going to be? How far do you want to go with repairs? If you don't want to do major renovations, then you may need to invest in a property that has little to no repairs. Some of the most common repairs include roof, electrical, okay? They could include gutters, they could include many things that can get more expensive. So it's important that you know how much it's going to cost you for the repairs and is that what you want to handle. Fourth, weigh your needs and wants. Decide how much you want to be able to spend. You may get overwhelmed by different things when investing in a home. Size, location, price, condition, features of a house are some of the most important yet confusing factors. Before deciding what you need to evaluate, what actually need and separate it into your wants and your needs. You know, if you don't, you will end up possibly regretting and probably will end up looking for another property short after making your initial investment. You know, so save your time. Make sure that your needs get first priority. Make sure you have enough money saved up for all of these things that are costly. Lastly, maybe the yard. You know, how big do you want your yard? Is it important in your area? What features do you want? Okay, do you want a swimming pool or a patio, or do you want to start a garden? Remember, if it's a rental property that you have, you're gonna have to get insurance for the pool to make sure nothing happens to people. So we personally don't really like a pool in rental properties. I hope this was a little bit helpful for you, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up, this video. Subscribe to my weekly YouTube videos and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified each time. Thanks so much for joining me today and make it a great day.